Hey, Mr. Ben, see you again. So, what's the topic for
Our topic for
today?
today's animal lifespan part 5.
Wow, I want to see. Okay, animal lifespan again.
Now,
Go ahead.
now, you all notice that these animals can live long, but some of them can also reach immortality,
What?
which is no need for living.
Wow, that's awesome.
And also, they could even reach millions of years.
Wow,
How
wow,
awesome
wow,
these
wow,
animals
wow.
can live. Well, let's check out.
Okay, number one.
Wait, if we need to check out the animals, we need to know it.
Okay.
Number 1, orange ruffy. These fishes also can reach.
Can you put numbers so you'll not forget anymore?
Yeah. These fishes can also keep their mouths wide for 10 minutes
Wow.
without stopping. But they also can catch little zooplankton without taking a single bite.
Hmm.
I already know it because they'll make a vacuum.
Oh. Number 2.
Number 2, lake sturgeon.
Wow. What's that?
No, not yet. Still this fish. And also I forgot to tell you, these orange ruffies can live for 149 years.
Wow, wow, wow. That's very long.
Yes, pretty long than the Oreo fish.
Yeah. Number 2.
Number 2, lake sturgeon. 152 years.
Mm-hmm.
Lake sturgeons have large fins, which help them to dive
Wow.
really fast. But these aren't the fastest fish at all.
Mm-hmm.
Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Short-raker rockfish. The short-raker rockfish can eat a single cryptoplankton like this in a single gulp.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just like lionfish, but not actually. These fishes can easily gulp 2 ones.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty massive because they also have brains which are large. So
Okay.
they can help them to open their mouths wide.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, I think I need to have that superpower.
Yeah.
And also, you want that superpower?
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Number 4.
Number 4.
Galapagos tortoise.
Wow, Galapagos tortoise.
177 years.
Mm-hmm.
Galapagos tortoise can live in Peru without a single step in Ecuador, which is
Wow.
an island. But we never know if Galapagos tortoises are friendly. But they sure are too friendly.
Mm-hmm.
So you could buy these in, Ecuador sales.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I think they need to have more pets if you want, huh? Want to
Mm-hmm.
have this pet?
Yeah.
Well, actually, these sales happen all in shops. They're not in supermarket shops.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's interesting. But number 5. Wow, this look interesting. 200 years. What is that?
Red sea urchins. Red sea urchins have sharp spikes which can
Like an
detect
hedgehog?
predators. Yes, but hedgehogs are too, spiky.
Mm-hmm.
But red sea urchins can easily hurt 5 people at once.
Mm-hmm.
So, but if you not yet get stung by this, it also can throw away its spikes to defend the predator.
Hmm.
Wow, I think they don't like
Okay.
human touch, or maybe they want to make them sick. Not totally freaked out.
Okay then. What's number 6?
Number 6 is Raphael rockfish.
Mm.
205 years.
Wow.
Raphael rockfish is what we call the longest living fish.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. a jellyfish isn't a fish at all.
Mm-hmm.
Remember the jelly? And
Okay, later. We can go later. Now,
so
number
back
6.
to the fish. The rough-eyed rockfish has an opening mouth, like
Wow.
like a rockfish. It
Mhm.
vacuums all. Never mind. You want to listen to this? And this?
Yeah.
That's the same as this.
Oh, okay. Now number 7 then.
Number 7, bullhead whale, 211 years.
That's a normal whale or special whale. What's the name?
Well, we just draw it
Mm.
like a different type of whale. For example,
Okay.
the bullhead whales live in coastal cold water.
Mm-hmm.
So you might find these guys in the Arctic.
Mm-hmm.
Some researchers said that they also can live in waters of Antarctica.
Mm-hmm.
Bullhead
Okay.
whales can even smash through anything.
Oh,
Even
yeah?
rocks and ice and even also snowballs.
Mhm.
Wait, snowballs? That's not hard, right?
Okay. Looks interesting then. Number 8.
Greenland sharks.
Greenland shark.
250 years.
Wow.
Greenland sharks are also harmless to humans, which is afraid and even shyer than
Mm-hmm.
we are. Most of them are already educational learned by scientists
Mm-hmm.
because they also have sharp teeth like gray white.
Mm-hmm.
But it's not very that simple. The gray need to go down. I hope they are even afraid that a joker monkey. Well, monkeys don't live in the ocean back then.
Yeah. Okay, next number 9.
Number 9, giant tube worm. 1,000 years.
Wow, giants?
Yes, giant tube worms are about the size of a pig.
Wow, it's a
Which is-
worm.
Well, no, not definitely a worm. It's just like a deep sea sponge.
Mm-hmm.
Not just any sponge. Right? It's also called a Mounce's tube sponge for the exact. But they don't need to call that a Mounce's anymore. Number
Mhm.
10.
Number 10.
Tube sponges. 2,000 years.
Wow, that's very
Tube
long.
sponges can also even live for 3,000 years again. Which
Mm-hmm.
is, they don't matter anything in what temperature they need. Because oceans don't have any problems.
Mm-hmm.
Except for volcanic eruptions. Then.
Okay. What next? Number 11.
Number 11. The coral reef and also the Great Barrier Reef. 4,000 years.
Wow.
The largest coral ever existed is in Queensland, Australia, Great Barrier Reef.
Is that the biggest in the world?
Yeah, the biggest in the
Wow.
world. But one thing, who made the coral reef is a coral polyp,
Oh.
which is, start from its life cycle, a jellyfish.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I hope the jellyfish was the first animal to evolve, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Well, quite pretty true, but it's also next by number 12.
Number 12. What is that?
Turritopsis dorni jellyfish, immortal.
Wow.
These jellyfishes
So they
don't-
never die?
Yes. These jellyfishes, or like in the immortal jellyfish, or the Turritopsis dorni,
Mm-hmm.
is also called the extreme condition of all animals. They can easily live and outrun a human lifespan. But that doesn't make any sense back then.
Okay. Hey.
Turritopsis dorni jellyfishes can be alive when a thing, bleed them,
Mm-hmm.
eat them, or also even kick them.
Wow. Okay, sir. Hey, I want to know. What's that? What are you writing?
Well,
The
that's
down there.
only for you.
Discovery in the future. I saw from here. Learning. Cartoonist learn. Lifespan. What's that?
of my video talents.
Okay.
Okay, I'll tell you this. This is what if. This is topic. No need for this. And this is animal lifespan. This is fact time. No, this is Filmigo. This is fact time, and also this is comparison.
Okay,
So,
wow. That's your program
We
then.
have two comparisons in the list. And I don't want to talk about this.
Wow, that's really awesome, sir. Thank you so much, Ben. See you,
Bye.
bye-bye.
And also, don't forget, this is the last part.
Okay, of the animal span.
But it's not only animal lifespan, we have all lifespan.
Okay.
So, okay, we already have. If you want to learn about many lifespans, check a video called "How Age is Available."
Wow.
The video is in the link description. And you
Okay.
can find it in the channel in Laguna One, where rectangular, some shapes.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye. And also don't forget, this is the last animal lifespan
Bye-bye.
topic.